Imagine a world where kindness, compassion, and unity are the only religions we need. Picture the impact of every act of kindness, big or small, making a real difference. Every smile, every helping hand creates a ripple effect. Think about how much better our world can be if everyone practiced kindness daily. Traditional religions can divide us, but kindness brings us together. Imagine the power of unity when we all focus on being good humans. Acts of compassion can transform lives. Just one moment of understanding can change someone's entire day. Can you picture the change? Unity starts with small acts. Think about holding the door open, offering a kind word, or lending a hand. These little things add up quickly. Imagine a world where we all practice compassion. It means listening, understanding, and caring for each other. How much better would life be? Every kind word, every gentle gesture builds a bridge. Picture a community where everyone feels valued and supported. Unity isn't just a concept, it's a practice. When we come together with open hearts, we can solve any problem. Imagine the possibilities. Compassion means being there for others, even when it's inconvenient. Think about the strength that comes from supporting each other. Kindness is simple but powerful. Imagine a day where everyone you meet shows a little more kindness. How amazing would that be? Traditional beliefs can separate us, but compassion can unite us. Imagine overcoming differences through understanding and empathy. Think about the last time someone was kind to you. Remember how it felt? Now imagine spreading that feeling every day, to everyone. Unity means standing together, not just in the good times, but in the challenging ones too. Picture the strength in numbers, supporting each other. Compassion isn't just for family or friends. Imagine showing it to strangers, co-workers, and even those we may never meet. Kindness can be as simple as a smile or a kind word. Picture how these small gestures can brighten someone's entire day. Unity comes from seeing each other as equals. Think about the impact of treating everyone with the same respect and kindness. Imagine a world where our first instinct is to help, not judge. Compassion can turn strangers into friends and build strong communities. Picture a society where kindness is the norm, where helping each other is second nature and everyone feels supported. Unity means working together towards common goals. Think about the incredible progress we can make when we pool our efforts. Compassion involves listening and understanding. Picture a world where everyone feels heard and valued for who they are. Kindness is contagious. Imagine starting a chain reaction of good deeds. How far could it spread? And how many lives could it touch? Traditional divisions fade away when we focus on kindness. Imagine overcoming barriers and building connections through compassion. Think about how unity can transform a community. When we come together, we can achieve so much more than we can alone. Compassion can heal old wounds and build new bridges. Picture a future where empathy leads to stronger, healthier relationships. Kindness costs nothing but means everything. Imagine a culture where generosity and care are the pillars of our everyday lives. Unity is our greatest strength. Picture the world changing for the better when we stand together with shared purpose and vision. Compassion is more than a feeling, it's an action. Imagine a world where everyone actively seeks to make others' lives better. Kindness breaks down walls and builds up trust. Picture a society where everyone feels safe and welcome because of simple, kind acts. Think about the power of unity to solve global challenges. Imagine the impact of a united effort to create a better world for all. Compassion, kindness, and unity aren't just ideals. They are practical steps we can all take. Imagine how these values can shape our future. Thanks so much for spending this time with us today. If this message spoke to you, don't forget to like and share it with friends or family who might enjoy this video, brought to you by Quote Temple and Munilixo. See you soon.